Hello guys. In the previous video when we were discussing about the maps, you might have noticed that I used some keyword called as auto, which we have never discussed in any of our previous videos. So I thought this might be the right time to talk to you about the auto keyword. So this is a keyword that you can use at times when you are not very specific about the data type of a variable, or you want the compiler to figure out on its own. And yeah, especially when you're not too specific there, um, that's when you can use this auto keyword. And what the auto keyword does is that whatever the appropriate data type for the ITR variable is, based on what's there on this side, it will assign that particular data type to it. So you don't have to be very specific, or you don't have to specify exactly. In this case, when we are talking about the maps and we are trying to find something in the map, we know that it's an iterator that related to the map. So if you just hover over the auto keyword, so the compiler has already kind of detected that yes, the appropriate data type for the ITR variable is going to be an iterator for the unordered map. So this is one of the nice usages of the auto keyword, that you can let the compiler take the decision. And not just in this kind of a use case, but if you take a look at um, the for loop that we had recently discussed. So the way we have learned it is that you can use a variable, something like this, and then have some condition check and iterate that particular variable. Even in this case, you could use the auto keyword and it will still work fine. So you can use it in a lot of places, and the whole purpose is that you don't want to be too specific about the data type. Or sometimes what happens is, unless something is returned, you don't know what is going to come in from that particular return statement. So during such scenarios, you can definitely use the auto keyword. And yeah, that's all about it. Let's meet in the next video.